Hello guys, these lessons are part of my software called the Brain Anatomy. I posted a link down there in the description. You can purchase it. flashbrainanatomy.com. Now I will illustrate the cranial nerves and I will tell the function of each one, and I will label every cranial nerve. First we have the medulla oblongata, and there comes the pons, and we have the cerebellum. Then this structure is called the crus, cerebral crus, and the rest of the brain mass is here with the temporal lobes and the frontal lobes. Okay, and here are the cranial nerves. After I photoshopped this a little bit, this is how it looks like. Okay, here we only have the hypoglossal nerve between the olivary bodies and the pyramids. Okay, the first cranial nerve is the olfactory nerve. Okay, that's the first cranial nerve. It is important for the smell sense. Then the second cranial nerve is the optic nerve. This part over here is called the optic chiasm. It is a place where the nerves from the left and the right side exchange fibers. From here, it's not the optic nerve, but the optic tract. And optic tract goes to the eye and innervates the eye. To learn more about that, I created a video that comes with my software called the optic pathway, and it explains pretty much how the image is received and how the signal is transported to which part of the cortex, and which part of the cortex is important for what. I also explained how the reflexes function and so on. You should purchase my software. I put a link down there in the description, flashbrainanatomy.com. Okay, then we have the cranial nerve number 3, which is the oculomotor nerve. It innervates the superior oblique muscle of the eye. And then we have the cranial nerve number 4. And number 4 innervates the sphincter muscle of pupil and also innervates the ciliary muscle in the eye. Then the 5th cranial nerve is the trigeminal nerve, and it is important for innervating the muscles of mastication, and it also receives the sensation from face. Then here is the number 6 cranial nerve, and it's called the abducens. Is number 6, and the abducens innervates the lateral rectus muscle on the eyeball. Then the cranial nerve number 7 is this nerve over here, and it innervates posterior belly of digastric muscle, and it also innervates the stapedius muscle. This was the number 7 nerve, and it's called the facial nerve. The number 8, cranial nerve number 8, is the vestibulocochlear nerve. And the vestibulocochlear nerve transports the signal about the sound, rotation, and gravity. To learn more about these functions and the way it works, please check out my website and purchase my software, flashbrainanatomy.com. And the nerve number 9 is the glossopharyngeal nerve. And the glossopharyngeal nerve receives the taste signals from posterior part of the tongue, and it also innervates the parotid gland and stylopharyngeus. The cranial nerve number 10 is the vagus. It receives special sense of taste and so on. It also provides the parasympathetic fibers to almost all thoracic and abdominal viscera. Then comes the accessory nerve, and it's the nerve number 11. and it controls the sternocleidomastoid and trapezius muscle. It overlaps with the functions of the vagus nerve. The last nerve is the hypoglossal nerve, and it's right here between the olivary bodies and the pyramids, and it's nerve number 12. And it is mainly motor. It provides the innervation for the tongue muscles, except of palatoglossus, which is innervated by vagus. This lesson comes as part of my software, which you can purchase on flashbrainanatomy.com. My software includes much more than just this lesson. It includes interactive 3D anatomy and a complete set of animated lessons from neuroanatomy. You can master the neuroanatomy in just 2 weeks with my software. I put the links down there in the description. If you're not going to purchase it on flashbrainanatomy.com, at least make sure you subscribe, like, or comment.